So hi guys, my name is Siddhant and welcome back to a new video. And as you must have guessed from the title that it is going to be a very interesting video, and it is one of the most requested videos. I think probably since the pandemic has begun, most of the people have been searching for content to increase their productivity, to increase their work efficiency. As everyone is sitting home, it is very important to maintain the same level of productivity, and also in some cases the workload has increased. So many people are facing burnout as well. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 steps, 5 helping tips or strategies that if you include in your day-to-day life, I think that will definitely help you in having a very productive day and starting your mornings very effectively. So if you're new to this channel, then do hit the like button. Do comment your thoughts down below, share the video with your friends and families, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive the latest notifications of my videos on time. So hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you 5 effective ways that will help you increase your productivity in your day-to-day life. So it can be for people who are working from home, it is for the people who are working at their offices, it is for students who are preparing for the exams, it is for each and every person out there who is working and who wants to improve their work efficiency and productivity in these tough times. So we are all looking for productivity hacks, right? And we are looking for stuff that will help us become more efficient, because at the end of the day we have limited amount of time, we have limited amount of energy. So what we want to do is that, so we want to bring out most of ourselves, we want to get the maximum amount of work done, and therefore I think that this video would be really very helpful for all of you people. So let's start with the first point. So the first point is wake up at your right time. Now I know that many people would be thinking that, okay, let's listen to this point again.
I'm saying wake up at your right time. I'm not asking you to wake up early in the morning.
Or I'm not asking you to wake up late in the morning. I'm not asking you to wake up at like 4 a.m, 5 a.m, 6 a.m or 10 a.m, 11 a.m. I'm asking you to wake up at your right time. And what is the right time? You need to figure it out for yourself, right? However, there's one thing that I'm telling you is that you need to have a fixed sleep schedule. So what you can't be doing is that you can't be sleeping once in the afternoon, or one day you will be sleeping in the evening, or one day you will be sleeping in the morning. So I think this is something that you need to avoid. However, waking up late or waking up early is not the issue. Waking up at your right time when your body is ready to get up and go to work is very important. Because getting enough sleep and getting enough rest and getting up out of the bed when the body is ready to work, I think will lead to much more effectivity and productivity in terms of work, in comparison to just forcing a fixed schedule on yourself. You're getting inspired from someone, you're forcing that 5 a.m, 6 a.m schedule on you, and I think that will just lead to an early burnout, and it will lead to irritation and frustration at the end of the day. It is not going to be of any help. So what you need to do is that you need to figure out the right time, and you need to just keep on working on that fixed sleep schedule indefinitely, as long as you're working, right? So I think that will make your body habitual, it will make your mind habitual, and I think once you are done with your sleep, you just need to get out of your bed and go to work. So at what time you wake up is not important, right? But what you do after waking up is what matters the most. So what you need to understand is that don't look up to anybody, and it's just that, okay, if you're waking up a little later, then your mornings will be a little late, right? Many people would debate that people waking up early in the morning have high productivity compared to the people waking up late. But at the end of the day, I think the productivity depends on your passion, it depends on how you pursue your work, how you start your day, and what all things you do in your day-to-day life to increase your productivity. So first point, wake up at your right time. So the second point is that prepare the night before, prepare your schedule the night before, prepare your lunch boxes the night before, prepare your backpack the night before, prepare your outfit for the next day the night before. Because what you need to eliminate is that you need to eliminate the unnecessary decision makings that you do once you wake up, once you get out of the bed, right? So once you get out of the bed, what you need to do is that just follow the morning routine and get to work, instead of just sitting down and wasting your energy, draining your energy, and wasting your time in making your timetable or schedule, right? Many productivity experts and successful people believe that they spend their evenings, the previous day evenings, in preparing the schedule for the next day, right? So you need to do the same. So if you can eliminate the decision making from your mornings, you will have much more energy and time to have the most productive morning you can, right? So just get ready the night or the evening before. Now moving on to the third point, that is have a fixed morning routine to focus your mind, right? Now this is very important. You need to have a fixed morning routine so that you get mentally prepared and physically prepared to do just those fixed stuff and not going here and there and wasting your time and energy, right? So having a fixed morning routine focuses your mind only on those necessary and limited amount of tasks that you need to do before starting your work or before getting to your work, right? So you must master a consistent morning routine, right, to achieve your highest level of productivity. So morning routine is very subjective. It can vary from person to person, but I'm going to tell you 4 to 5 things that would help you in increasing your productivity and improving your morning routine, because all of those things I've personally included in my morning routine and they have benefited me a lot. So the first thing that you need to do once you wake up is drink a whole glass of water or 2 glasses of water, right? So drink lots of water once you wake up, because that will cleanse your whole body from inside, and if possible you can make it a little warm, add a little lemon in it, so it will improve your digestion power as well, right? So the second thing you need to do is that you can take any beverage you want, coffee or tea, whatever you prefer, right? The third thing that you need to do, and I believe that it is very important and you will start seeing differences after doing this, is that do 15 to 20 minutes of meditation. Now by meditation I don't mean that you should sit down, chant something. No, you should just sit quietly for 15 to 20 minutes, focus on your breathing, focus on your mind, and not think about anything else. Just doing this 15 to 20 minutes of meditation will act as a reboot button for your whole mind and your whole body, right? Now after you're done with meditation, you can go for a short walk, you can do some yoga exercises, stretches or workout, whatever you do and whatever you're comfortable with. You should include a little bit of exercise in the morning. Now one thing that I've personally been doing for past few months and that is very effective is that we all need to learn each and every day, right? Upskilling is very important. So if you want, so what you can do is that you can read for 15 to 20 minutes if you want while having a breakfast, or you can even listen to a podcast, right, for 20-30 minutes while you're taking a shower, while you're having a breakfast, or while you're walking, right? So either reading or hearing a podcast, I think it can make a completely positive difference to how you start your day, right? Now moving on to the fourth point, and I feel that many people who wake up late mostly skip this point, but it is very important, and that is eat a protein rich breakfast. So those who wake up late, like myself, I always used to skip my breakfast and I used to end up having brunch, right? But breakfast is very important because that is the fuel that your body needs to set yourself up for a productive morning and a productive work day, right? Because you need to remember that your body has been fasting for past 8 to 10 hours, right, while you are asleep. So having a protein rich breakfast will give you that boost, that energy, that jump start to just get going with your work, right? So I'm not asking you to prepare some fancy kind of breakfast, but just having few pulses, few cereals for breakfast, having an egg, boiled egg omelette, whatever you like, having some dry fruits like almond, cashews in the morning, or even drinking some milk or protein shakes or eating Greek yogurt. I think all those protein rich sources of breakfast would really help you to have a great morning start. So don't miss your breakfast. Never ever miss your breakfast because it is the first meal of the day and it is the most important meal of the day. Now moving on to the fifth point, and that is the last point for today, and it is a very important point that will help you increase your efficiency, and that is start your day with a proactive mindset. Start your day with a go-get attitude, right? So you can do whatever self-talk you have. Write down 4 to 5 lines of self-talk that will motivate you in the morning, and that will help you start with a proactive mindset. And as Mark Twain has a philosophy that eat the frogs first and not the tadpoles, that means you need to do all those tasks that you dread of, that you are scared of, and that you feel are very big and the most difficult tasks. You need to finish them first in the morning, because as you go along with the day, you know that you are done with the most dreadful thing that you needed to do, and so that would give you a sense of accomplishment, and then you can do all the remaining small things as well easily, right? So you need to eat the frog first and then the tadpoles. However, many people debate that eating tadpoles, that not literally but metaphorically, that eating tadpoles, that is finishing smaller tasks, it gives you more sense of accomplishment, and therefore once you are filled with self-confidence, you can then eat the whole frog very easily, right? So it is each one for his own. So whatever you feel is right for you, you can follow that thing. However, Mark Twain says, eat the frog and then the tadpole. So find out that balance, that rhythm, which is suitable for you, and then it will definitely help you. So guys, these were the 5 tips from my side that I've personally been using, that I've personally been implementing since the pandemic has began, because we all have been sitting at home and some of us have a very high workload, right? So we need to increase our productivity and efficiency, and we need to finish most of the tasks within that limited amount of time. So what you can do is that you can comment down in the section below that which point did you like, what time do you wake up, and you can also comment down that what books or what podcasts are you listening to currently, right? So that would help other viewers as well, and you can suggest any positive thing that you need to share with people as well in the comment section below. So guys, that's it for today, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then do hit the like button, do share it, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest notifications of my videos on time. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, thank you.